Hey guys, what's up? Ian Fins here, and if you guys been wondering how to replace the skies in your photos with Photoshop, this is probably the right tutorial for you. So let's get started. Okay guys, I think a lot of photographer has been experiencing some of this problem, especially for an outdoor photo shoot, and the sky is really gloomy. Like what happened to me when I did a photo shoot for one of the tallest building in Jakarta. It was really gloomy on that day, and we have to do the photo shoot on the same day. So what I did is I have to replace the skies on the image. So I will show you how to do it. Let's get started. As you can see that it was really gloomy on that day, so we have to end up replace the sky image. So I have prepared another stock image of the sky that I will strip into the other image. Okay, first thing first, you need to max out the backgrounds. So what you can do is you go to path and make a new selections. Go to pen tool and start making a selection. Okay, you can ignore all the small details because you can't really see when you zoom out the image. So just to make sure that you will stop pathing the background when you can see all the details here. I'm using a mouse at the moment, but if you guys have a Wacom at home, it will be a lot easier to path all the backgrounds. Okay, so now we are done making a path on the backgrounds, on the white backgrounds. So the next thing you need to do is you want to copy your stock image to this image. So open your cloud image, make a selection with Ctrl A, then copy the image with Ctrl C and paste it on another layers in here. Just press Ctrl V. As you can see that it's already copied to another layers. So just adjust the image, make it slightly smaller because the stock image is bigger than my image. Okay. Okay guys, so you have the sky image ready. The next thing you need to do is you want to max out the image with the selection that you already created. So go to path, make a selections. You can go to select, modify and feather, just put around 2 pixels and go to layers, select the sky image, make a masking. There you go. As you can see that it fits nicely, but there's one problem that you need to smoothen out the transition between the old image and the new image. So what you need to do is you can go to this layer mask, use brush, go to opacity, just make it around maybe 15%, just to make sure that the hardness is 0. Make it as soft as possible. Go to the layer mask. You want to paint it black, so just reverse this color in here and start brushing till it looks smooth. Okay guys, so we are done stripping in the new sky image. The next thing that you want to do is you want to match the color. If you notice that the new sky image is a lot bluish compared with the reflection on the building. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna enhance the reflection in here. So what you can do is you go to this button, go to hue and saturations and click cyan, enhance the cyan a little bit, and the blue color as well. Adjust the hue to match the same color. There you go. and you want to max out only the reflection on this building because you just want to ignore the rest. Okay, go to this layer mask and paint it black. Okay, what you can do is click Control Backspace and it will be painted black. And now you want to max out only this building. Go to brush, make sure it's in white colors, opacity maybe around 50%, and you want to paint this building. Okay guys, we are done, and as you can see that it's really simple. I hope you can apply this to all your images at home, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. See you guys till the next episode. Bye bye guys.